The debate about artificial intelligence and its impact on humanity has grown into one of the most defining discussions of the 21st century. On one side, advocates argue that AI represents the peak of human innovation, a tool capable of solving some of the world's most complex challenges, from disease diagnosis to climate prediction. On the other, critics warn that AI may disrupt the foundations of human identity, labor, and ethics in ways society is not yet prepared for. English debates on this topic often begin by examining how AI has evolved from a concept of science fiction into a force shaping every aspect of daily life. From recommendation algorithms to autonomous vehicles, AI is now woven into the infrastructure of modern society. Supporters of AI emphasize its power to amplify human capability. In medicine, for example, AI systems can detect patterns in data that escape even the most skilled professionals. In education, AI-driven tutoring platforms adjust lessons to each student's pace, potentially closing long-standing gaps in access and understanding. These advancements, debaters argue, reflect humanity's ability to extend intelligence beyond biological limits. However, the opposing side often challenges this optimism by questioning whether such progress comes at the expense of human autonomy. If machines make decisions faster, more accurately, and with less bias, what happens to human judgment? Is it replaced or refined? A major section of any English debate on AI's impact focuses on ethics and bias. Artificial intelligence reflects the data it is trained on, and that data often contains the same prejudices and inequalities that exist in society. As a result, AI systems used in hiring, law enforcement, and lending can perpetuate or even amplify discrimination. Supporters of AI development argue that this is not a flaw of AI itself but a flaw in human oversight. Humans must ensure better data quality and more transparent algorithms. Critics counter that the problem lies deeper, questioning whether humans can ever fully remove bias from systems built on historical data. Another key theme is privacy. AI thrives on information, massive amounts of personal, behavioral, and biological data. Supporters say that data collection enables smarter services and more personalized experiences, but opponents fear a future where privacy becomes a relic of the past. In debates, this often leads to discussions about surveillance capitalism, the trade of human behavior as a commodity, and whether technological convenience justifies the erosion of personal freedom. The line between helpful innovation and intrusive control becomes increasingly blurred. The debate also explores AI's role in creativity. Can machines truly be creative, or are they merely reflecting human inputs in sophisticated ways? Writers, musicians, and artists now face competition from algorithms that generate text, images, and compositions that appear indistinguishable from human work. Supporters argue that AI expands the boundaries of creativity, enabling collaboration between human imagination and machine intelligence. Opponents insist that genuine creativity arises from emotion, experience, and consciousness, qualities machines lack. These arguments raise fundamental questions about what makes art, literature, and expression truly human. The concluding part of the debate often looks toward the future. What kind of relationship should humanity have with AI? Some debaters argue for integration, envisioning a world where humans and machines coexist symbiotically. In this future, AI does not replace human intelligence but enhances it, handling repetitive tasks while humans focus on creativity, empathy, and leadership. Examples such as AI-assisted healthcare or climate modeling show that collaboration between human intuition and machine precision can lead to extraordinary results. This vision requires strong ethical frameworks, international cooperation, and continuous public dialogue to ensure that AI serves human values rather than corporate or political interests. Others warn of dependence. They argue that as AI systems grow more capable, society risks surrendering control. Decision-making may shift from elected officials and human experts to opaque algorithms. In such a world, people might accept AI judgments without question, eroding accountability and free will. The debate becomes not only about technology but about the nature of humanity itself, whether people will remain the authors of their destiny or become subjects of the systems they create. The danger, critics say, is not that AI will rebel against humans, but that humans will willingly hand over authority in the name of efficiency.